Now, which one should I get by itself? So why? Because it's the second best case of -1. Do not make that fresh mistake of this is what I see sometimes. What is it? -3x equals 12 plus 3x. I see that all the time. I see it in transition still, and they've been doing this stuff all year. Of course, if you're error diagramming, that's just times a -1 plus a 3x gives me 12 minus 3x divided by -1. So I have 12 minus 3x all divided by -1 is y. Or in other words, y is -12 plus 3x. And no, before you ask, you don't have to error diagram, but you do need to show work of some kind. Okay? So now that we have y by itself, I have sometimes people cross off that I've used that equation. When we only have 2 equations, it's not that confusing. But when we get up to 3, 4, 5 equations, it gets a little chaotic. So in here, we're going to plug in for y. Make sure when you plug in, you have parentheses. Of course, distribute. So I have 2x plus -36 plus 9x. Now combine your x's. So I have 11x plus -36 equals 2. Add 36 to both sides. I get 11x equals 38. Or x equals 38 elevenths. Which we would just make sure is reduced and we're done, right? That's easy. Now, they don't have to work out perfectly. I have a lot of people go, I messed up. I got a fraction. There's nothing wrong with getting a fraction. Okay, just double check your work if you're unsure. Now that I have x, do not forget to go and you can plug into one of the originals or you can plug into this one, which will just spit out y. So I have y is -12 plus 3 times 38 elevenths. Help me out. What will I get there? I assume give enough time you can find it by hand, but come on, chop chop.
114
For the final answer? That's what I'm asking. I'm asking for y, guys. Chop chop. Don't just sit there and stare at me. If I let you use them, use them. Because I assume you could multiply and find a common denominator, right? But we're going quickly on these, so. Plus the -12?
Oh.
That's what I'm asking. -18 over 11? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, now I like to write them as points because that's what they are. They are x, y. Whatever you do, I need answer circled. I'm going to be very picky about that for these problems. Some of these get insane amounts of work. Yes?